Quick video for folks here. You got yourself a Qudelix. You like your Qudelix. It's awesome. Over time, however, use it a bunch and this jack can wear out. So on one here, the 3.5 millimeter wore out. The channel would drop out. Maybe both of them would drop out. You want to buy a new one, repair it. So what is it going to take to actually do that? First off, you need a few things. You need obviously a broken Qudelix. Otherwise, what the heck are you doing here? But then the key, and this took a little bit of time to actually figure out, this is the part number, the SJ2-35364B-SMT-TR. That is the jack. There are a whole bunch of them you'll find on AliExpress that are not this one, and they will not work. This one here I got from DigiKey. There are a number of sources you can actually find it on. The key is you've got the 3 on one side, the 2 on the other side, and here is the sort of standard kind of pinout that we actually have, because this guy will take the ability to have a microphone at least on there in terms of where the contacts are, and they have to then go and follow this path. All right, so that's the first thing that you need just to get this one. Here it is from DigiKey. You also need a Torx T5 security bit. T6s won't work. T5 is tiny, really freaking tiny. So here is, if you notice here, T5, see that hole in the middle? That's what you want. It's got to have the hole in the middle because Qudelix really wanted you to not be able to get in there. You need that. Next, pretty easy once you actually have this with a little bit of soldering skills. Not too much needed. There you can actually see the little pin that prevents a normal T5 from getting in there. Take those out with your bit. I was able to pick up at Home Depot or Lowe's. This is Husky. Able to pick up a little kit. It was like 15 bucks or whatever, had it in there because I didn't have it. Once those screws are out, just on the same side with the screws, take a little sharp edge, pry this off, and then you can work it apart. Once it is apart, you can pull out then the board itself. You'll see we've got your battery, and here is the offending part. So you can see then the pin out there. Battery has a little bit of adhesive on the back of it. Just gently wiggle it off. Give yourself a little bit more room. Trust me on this, you're going to want the more room. And now you've gone and you've actually exposed the part. After that, it's just a matter of actually doing your desoldering. So get a bit of flux on there, flux on each one of the bits here, get the solder wick on there, get the soldering iron, go try to get that up. If you're really good, it'll all come up. If not, I stuck my finger on this, applied a tiny bit of pressure, get the soldering iron there with some flux, boop, this little leg pops up, do the same to the other side, then this one, work your way back and through to be able to get it off. After that, you've got yourself a board here, clean off that flux, get a little bit of clean, just clean up the solder and everything there so you can get it on, go solder it, reverse the steps, you're all done. Working Qudelix.